I was the founder of a technology startup company. My daily life was a lot of work, day in and day out. I did not take great care of myself. Because of that, I was tired. And so I really wanted to find a program that would allow me to get to the weight that I desired and to be able to have the amount of energy that I wanted. Although I had really committed to things before, ultimately I saw my motivation fade. The difference with MetPro was not only the nutrition piece and the metabolic profiling, but they also had the daily accountability with the coaching and then also the exercise and body composition. It really was a whole new lifestyle. A day in life at MetPro is pretty simple. Get up, weigh myself, go ahead and enter my weight for that day, and then basically eating my breakfast, then going to work and eating the snacks and the lunches throughout the day. They weren't trying to sell me a specific type of food. It really was going to shop at the proper grocery stores and the farmers markets and getting healthy, organic, quality, real foods. My nutrition coach, Natalie, was phenomenal. She had the ability to really get at the heart of my motivations and really understand me as an individual. On the fitness side, on the body composition side, working with Taylor was phenomenal. I found that working with the coaches remotely was even easier than trying to drive across town or meet with somebody and schedule these appointments. And having the ability to work on my schedule, on my time, was an important thing to me. I definitely got a program that was designed for me, not designed for the masses. The combination of having a coach and a system that's been proven with thousands of people at this point totally changed how my daily life is. I am able to work for longer periods of time. I have greater focus, and I have a more sustained energy level throughout the day. That knowledge is something that I now have. Now I can implement that in my daily life forever.